Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm sweating chocolate. Okay, just got in. Went over my granddaughter's house today. It's her 16th birthday. Her name is Tequila. And we call her Yaya. And while I was over there, I had to hold my baby, London. That girl would not wake up. Okay. I'm getting ready to air fry some naked wings, and I'll be using this CHICKALICIOUS. This is from the Chicken Crack people. They sent this to me, and it's called CHICKALICIOUS. It says the gold standard of rubs. It's called 313 Sweet Chicken and Rib Rub. It has sugar in it and salt and different spices. So it's on here. What's in it? Okay. So it has brown sugar in it and sugar. So I imagine that it may clump up. And it will probably turn your chicken a little darker than golden brown. We're going to see, because sugar has a tendency to caramelize on meat. So we're going to see. So I'm going to preheat this air fryer. I'm using my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. I'm going to bring my new wave back and put it on the counter. Start using it because it's feeling kind of lonely. Okay, I'm just going to preheat it, make sure ain't nothing in it. Preheat, hit start. So, last night I washed and marinated my chicken wings. I used mustard, just plain yellow mustard, and this 313 Sweet Chicken and Rib Rub. So that's all I got on here. I didn't put any other seasoning or anything. And I vacuum sealed it. How it looks. So I'm not going to spray it. Just naked chicken with skin on it makes its own oil. You'd be surprised at how much oil will come out of these wings without adding extra. Cut this. I use my ACOC vacuum sealer, and I love it. It's good for marinating meats and then infusing the marinade into the meat, like sous vide. How all the seasonings get infused into the meat. I don't like to wait for the thing to preheat. Try to stop making my videos so long. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. I'm just gonna dump these wings in here. I don't want to touch them. Y'all see? I'm gonna have to touch them so I can arrange them so they're not all on top of one another. So it didn't have time to preheat. And these are the whole wings. My hands are nasty. Ew. I'm going to eat these wing tips. Okay, they're arranged nicely. Throw this away and get this mess off my hand. Yeah. Well, I'm not going to spray it, but I am going to sprinkle a little more CHICKALICIOUS 313 Sweet Chicken and Rib Rub on here. This comes in a nice gold pouch, very sturdy and resealable. It has a Ziploc. Can't open it. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to sprinkle some extra on top of the chicken. So I'm expecting these to be darker color than my regular wings because of the sugar. And because these have been marinating overnight, I'm thinking they'll cook about 5 minutes faster. So instead of the usual 25-minute cook time, I'm just going to cook these for 20 minutes at 380. Okay, that's good. One more again, right there. Show y'all how it looks. I'm not spraying any oil, and I don't plan on turning these wings over. There it looks. It smells really, really good. Okay, let me move this away from the wall. So, I'm going to put it on the chicken setting. Start. And then you see it's on 25 minutes. I'm going to lower that time. 20 minutes. Okay. And I'm not going to flip them, but I will check them to make sure they're not burning. I'll be back. Probably with this wig off. The wind really tousled my hair. Okay, the wings have been cooking for 17 minutes, so we're going to check them together. Okay, that's what they look. Let me see how the other side looks. Like that. You know what? I want both sides to have this caramelized seasonings. I'm going to flip them, but I didn't have to because they are brown on the other side, and I didn't use any oil at all. Okay, sprinkle some more of this seasoning. This rub, 313 sweet chicken and rib rub on the other side of the wings. You can finish the cooking in 3 minutes, so that will make 20 minutes in all. When you marinate your meat overnight, usually the cooking time can be lowered. Okay. Let's continue. Bag just stopped. Okay. It made a big difference. So this side looks now. There's grease down in the bottom. I didn't put not a lick of oil in it. Okay. This ought to be nice, and you want some. have 3, and I have 3. Oh. I'd like to show you how the basket looks. Not bad at all, and it's easy to clean. And all this grease floating around in the bottom. Here's my CHICKALICIOUS 313 chicken and rib rub by Chicken Crack Company. Look at those wings. Like I said, the sugar caramelized on the wings, so that's why they're not as light as they usually are. So waiting for them to get cool enough so I can give them a taste. They certainly smell good. Let me get a thumbnail. Move this over. Okay. What the wings look like up close. Not burnt. That's the way brown sugar does. It's hot. It is done through and through with the shorter cooking time. Whew. It is hot, y'all. I want to taste what this new seasoning tastes like. I can taste the sweetness. I taste some garlic. It's a little bit of salt. There's no heat to it at all. But it didn't claim to have heat. It's really good, like nothing I've ever tasted. Finger licking good. And adding the extra seasoning after it's already marinated, it didn't make it too salty or anything. It's not salty at all. It's just the right amount of spices. It's really good. Okay. Walter don't need 3 wings. It was only 6 in the pack. He don't need 3. Because he don't like chicken like I do. Okay. Let me show you what I got to go with my chicken. Bread and butter pickles. I eat strange. That's my vegetable. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Bye.